Hi friends, I am Dr. Vikas Kapoor from Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Gurgaon. I head the Department of Minimal Access and Bariatric Surgery in Gurgaon, and I do all sorts of laparoscopic surgeries, may it be advanced and basic, including bariatric surgery. So I have a vast experience of 20 years of laparoscopic work, and I am one of the founding members to have started bariatric surgery in India. Today we are going to talk about ventral hernias. Ventral hernias is a defect in the abdominal wall. There is only one place where we do not have bones. That is the abdomen. So abdomen is formed of muscles. These muscles can break and give us hernias. So hernias, depending on the location on our tummy, can be divided into, say, umbilical hernia, which comes out the navel, or paraumbilical hernia, which comes from around the navel, or a epigastric hernia, which comes from the below the chest region and above the umbilicus. That is called an epigastric hernia. Then there is a special kind of a Spigelian hernia, where the rectus muscle and the other muscles meet. There is a defect. And there are incisional hernias. Incisional hernias are when you have been operated in the past, the wound got infected and the muscle had given way. So what comes out is mainly either the omentum, which is a fatty layer of the tummy, or it is the intestine. So why should we be afraid of a hernia? Because hernias can get obstructed. If there is a part of the intestine which pops out of the defect and stays outside, and at times if it becomes bigger or if the muscle becomes tighter, so the blood supply to that area can go down and you can have obstruction and strangulation, so that the blood supply is gone, so it becomes an emergency. So during an emergency, what happens? The mainstay for the treatment is putting in a mesh, and when there is infection, you can't put in a foreign body, so you land up in trouble. So operating such patients in good time with hernias is always recommended than waiting for an emergency situation. In modern era, we operate all ventral hernias laparoscopically. That is called the standard of care for ventral hernia repair. So the medical terminology is intraperitoneal only mesh repair. That means the inner side of the abdomen our abdomen is a cavity. The internal most part is called the peritoneum, which is very sensitive part. And we place a mesh after reducing the contents of the hernia back to the abdomen on that defect, so that your muscles which were weak become stronger. So something should be there to give the muscles that strength so that the hernia doesn't reoccur. Because the dreaded complications are two. One is a recurrence of a hernia, which you would have heard when we used to do open. So the incidence was as high as 10%. So if we were operating 100 people, 10 of us will have a recurrence. And the other is the mesh getting infected, the mesh infection. So hernias have come a long way in their treatment. So open surgery for hernias is a big no in today's era. You should do it laparoscopically and nicely, and there is hardly any recurrence which you find. Patients are very comfortable. If you get operated in a very big setup like Narayana, the equipment is very well sterilized, so the chances of mesh infection also significantly go down. How do we do it? We do it by putting in 3 puncture holes. 2 are 5 millimeters and 1 is a 10 millimeters, because through the 10 millimeters we roll a mesh like a cigar and push it in and place the mesh. So the mesh is centralized by a stitch and placed right in the middle of the defect. So you can actually see where the mesh is going. And there are different and various types of meshes. So I prefer meshes which have 2 components, one side which will get very well stuck to the abdominal wall, and the second side, the other side, will not form adhesions to the intestine, because when we have an abdominal wall, so it goes, the mesh should directly be sitting on the abdominal wall and form very good adhesions, and it should not form any adhesions with the intestine. That is the crux, and that is very important. So we use better quality meshes, and there are fixation devices. So we fix the mesh with multiple screws, which are very, very tiny, not even picked up on any scans. They are so tiny, about 3 millimeters, 3.3 millimeters. So patients are really comfortable after the surgery. Most of the patients would ask us, will I have pain after surgery? Yes, there is some amount of pain after surgery, because the abdomen was distended during the surgery, the muscles were under a stretch, we are putting in a foreign body, the peritoneum is a very sensitive organ that gets irritated, then we are putting in screws which will cause muscle spasm. The only trick is to get up from the bed as early as possible and start walking. Most of your pain is relieved and you are fit to go home next day. Why laparoscopy and not open? The only reason to do laparoscopy is it is much safer, it is much better, because the incidence of recurrence is less and the incidence of mesh infection is far less than open surgery. So friends, safety of your life lies in the way we operate. So it is a standard of care. So IPOM is one of the best treatments for ventral hernias. Thank you.